Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open your page in Elementor and drag the form widget into the column where you want it. Use the layout controls to set one column or two columns depending on your design, and verify the column gap and padding for spacing. Add fields by clicking Add Item and choosing types such as text for name, email for email, and text area for message. For each field, set the label, placeholder, and whether it is required. Save the draft to preserve your initial form structure, and move to Advanced Settings next. Under Actions after Submit, choose Email, Redirect, Webhook, or Store to control what happens when visitors submit the form. If you select Email, configure email settings with From Name, From Email, and the message body. Include form fields using shortcodes like Field ID. For Redirect, paste the full destination URL and test it. For Webhook, paste the endpoint URL and set headers if required. Enable the Save to Database option if you want entries stored. Then click Update and submit a test entry. Use the Style tab to set field spacing, typography, and button colors so the form matches your brand. Adjust focus, label, and placeholder styles for accessibility. Configure validation by marking fields required, set custom error messages, and add input masks for phone or date formats if needed. For security, enable reCAPTCHA v3 or v2 and add honeypot to reduce spam. Also limit submissions per IP and consider server-side validation. Finally, preview the form on desktop and mobile, then publish when tests pass.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.